Tavarta's kitchen. In today's video, we will be preparing a very simple restaurant style vegetable dum biryani. So let's check out the ingredients and start with the recipe. First, we'll be doing the marination part. For the marination, take 1 cup of curd, to this add a pinch of turmeric, one tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of jeera powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and 1 tablespoon of chili powder. One teaspoon of biryani masala powder and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Give this a nice mix. I have taken 1 cup of diced capsicum, 1 cup of chopped tomatoes, half cup of carrots, half cup of potatoes, 1 cup of green beans and 1 cup of chopped onions. Mix everything together. To this add a few leaves of mint and coriander and start mixing. Vegetables have been nicely marinated and coated properly. We'll be resting this marination for 30 minutes. To a biryani pot, add 4 tablespoons of ghee, and 2 tablespoons of oil. Once this heats up, add 2 to 3 red chilies and 8 to 10 pieces of cashew nuts. Then to this add the marinated vegetables. Give this a nice mix. We'll not be adding any water as such. Close the lid for the pot and cook this till the vegetables are perfectly cooked. The vegetables are almost getting cooked. At this stage, add required amount of salt. Don't add too much of salt since we had added when we marinated it. If you want, you can add little chili powder also. And mix this. Cover the lid and we'll be cooking it for another 5 to 10 minutes. We'll check if the vegetables are cooked. You can notice the vegetables are perfectly cooked. Give this a mix and keep the flame in low. Now I'll be transferring half of the cooked vegetables to another bowl. Now we'll be adding rice to this. I have covered 1 layer with rice. On top of this, I'm adding little saffron milk and sprinkle little biryani powder. Now we'll be adding the remaining masala. And again on top of this, we'll be adding 1 more layer of rice. Again on top of this, I'll be adding the remaining saffron milk and sprinkle little biryani powder. Close this pot and we'll be keeping dum for 20 minutes. Now this is in dum for 20 minutes. Now we'll be opening the lid and give this a light mix. This dum biryani is ready to serve. Try this simple, tasty, restaurant-style vegetable dum biryani a try. Share it with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel Avartha's Kitchen and hit the bell icon to receive updates on more videos. Thank you.